And my arm is not long enough for this. Hold on. Oh! I can sing rap dance if you give me a chance. Mr. Aladdin, so.
It's okay to be weird, stand up to your fears, make your dreams a reality. Hey, I'm Nicole, and
what is up, guys? So today is the very first nice day. It has been in an extremely long time. The Pennsylvania weather here is ever changing. Even though we did not have snow for like a couple weeks straight, it literally was freezing. It is so hard to go outside when it was cold. But it is nice today, and I was thinking I want to go outside. What better to do than to go on a walk? So I'm gonna go on a walk and bringing you guys with me along for the adventure. I'm not sure how it's gonna go with this whole recording thing because it is a little windy out, but I am so excited. So let's go on an adventure. Well, guys, we made it! How cool is that? This is where I wanted to come today. I think it is so pretty. Look how beautiful this is. Like, oh my word, it is gorgeous. So, let's go explore. We have finally made it. We are almost to the top. I am like right in the middle of it. This is how far I've come already. And then I am planning on going all the way up to there. There. So I'll see you at the top. let alone if you guys can hear me. But I have come down to the bottom, sort of. There's this little stream where the waterfall comes down to. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for coming on this adventure with me. Thank you for clicking on this video and watching it. Make sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next adventure.
Stand